God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, we bless your holy name. You are a generational God, and family matters to you. Family relationships, near and far, are important to you. Lord, thank you for the blessing of a loving family. May the family bonds of caregivers grow stronger and stronger each day. May any stigmas or fear that family members have regarding the medical condition of the one receiving care disappear and be replaced with information, research, and resources to support effective care. Lord, help family members provide support in ways that are perfect and well-timed. Lord, please strengthen the family bonds and rekindle distant family ties that bring peace, unity, and support to the caregiver. Thank you in advance, Lord, for the lives that will be changed, the souls that will be saved, the laughter and fond memories that are in store for the family of caregivers. Thank you, God, for the unity within their families and the support that flows to caregivers